How to use WhatsApp in laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, ensure that WhatsApp is installed in your mobile device and it is logged into your account. So after that, now on your laptop or PC, open up a browser and then type in WhatsApp web. Now head towards the first link, that is web.whatsapp.com. After you go to WhatsApp web, here in your interface there is a QR code. So what you have to do is, here is instructions given to you as well. So for that, you have to open up WhatsApp in your device or in your mobile phone. So after that, if you're on your Android device, you have to tap on three dots which will be located in the top right corner, and from there you have to tap on linked device, or if you're on your iPhone, then you have to tap on the settings icon and then tap on linked device. After that, tap link a device and you have to scan the QR code that is displayed in this interface. Then once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp will be mirrored to your laptop or PC, and then you can use the WhatsApp web in your laptop to send and receive messages, view the status, and make calls if it is supported by your laptop. And in this way, by scanning the QR code through your mobile device and this interface, you can use WhatsApp in your laptop. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.